Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new partition or drive in Windows 10 and Windows 11 without reinstalling Windows. This method lets you split an existing drive and create a new volume using Windows Disk Management. So let's get started. First, open this PC or the PC folder. In this example, there are currently 2 drives. Now, press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Disk Partition. From the search results, open Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. This will open the Disk Management window. Right-click on the drive and select Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space is available to shrink. For this example, we'll enter 15 gigabytes. Click Shrink and wait for Windows to complete the process. After that, you'll see approximately 15 gigabytes of unallocated space next to the existing drive. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next and keep the default volume size unless you want to create a smaller partition. Next, assign a drive letter to your new volume. For this example, we'll select the letter A. Click Next and continue with the formatting options. You can keep the recommended settings, give the new drive a name if you want, and then click Next. Finally, click Finish to create the new volume. Windows may take a few moments to format and prepare the new partition. Once the process is complete, open this PC again. You'll now see the newly created drive along with your existing drives. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tips, tricks, and computer tutorials.